So, you really don't remember anything?
No.
Persuade him to blast away the ancient robots guarding that treasure. They're trying to kill me, while promising to help him find his past. Then I finally get to the treasure and take what I want. Then I ditch him. Perfect. Well, I'll help you figure out your past.
Really?
Sure. I am a world-famous treasure hunter after all.
But I've never heard of...
That's besides the point. Hey, we seem to make a pretty good team. I'm still gonna ditch him, though.
Huh.
This is so we don't get lost.
What the...
What is that? Shadow! Oof! That could have been a lot worse. Right, Shadow? Shadow?
And just who exactly might you be?
So I'm thinking if we just head north, the treasure will be right to the left of us.
Rouge, I hate the jungle. I've decided that now.
Why? Just keep walking. I don't
It
like it.
sucks.
It's worth it for the treasure.
Something's not right.
Good job, guys. Now that we have all the crystals, we can...
Toodles!
Motherfuck!